Hello, hello, hello. It's Catherine Chess, your nutritionist and joyful living coach. And have I got a great recipe for you today? So my clients always ask me, what's for breakfast? Especially since I've given up my gluten. They just can't figure out what to eat for breakfast. So I've whipped up this yummy avocado probiotic eggs. You take 3 cage-free organic eggs, and you can find those. Most stores have them now, even like the big chain stores. And all you do is you want to mash them up. So we're going to go for that. But before we do, we're going to add some cumin, great for digestion. So I added a little, about a teaspoon of cumin, some salt. This is a pink Himalayan salt. Usually the darker the salt, the better the product is for you. And always make sure you're using sea salt and not iodized salt. It's so much better for you. It's got all the minerals in it. The last ingredient I'm adding is turmeric. And then we're going to put in the piece de resistance, the avocados, my favorite. I absolutely love avocados. And for those of you women, they're a little menopausal. I'm just going to start mashing this up while I talk to you. For those of you women that are a little menopausal, hey, avocado is your ticket, especially for those nasty hot flashes. Vitamin E and selenium are great, great products, or vitamins, minerals, to knock the hot flashes to the curb. So I'm just mashing this up, and depending on how mashed you want it, I have a client that really doesn't like eggs very much, so she mashes it a whole lot and it camouflages the eggs. But I have other clients that really like their eggs, so they don't mash it quite as much. So a breakfast should contain 3 ingredients: protein, fat, and fiber. And the reason for that is so your breakfast will satiate you all throughout the morning, so you don't get a case of the hangries. And so you can see what I've done. I've really mashed this and just got the avocado and the egg mixed. You don't have to use mayonnaise. And then next we're going to add a little salad. Here's more fiber. Fiber is so good for you, especially in the morning. It keeps you regular. So put some salad on as much as you want. I'd probably put about 4 cups, but you be the gauge of that. And then plop some of this avocado mixture right in the center. And then the ingredient that makes it so good for your digestive system. You know, there's all kinds of probiotics out there, but often the probiotic pills, they don't get to your digestive system. They sit in your esophagus, or they just lose their efficacy by the time they get to your gut. So I recommend raw probiotic sauerkraut. Raw probiotic sauerkraut is so good. It's brined with vinegar, and it's not brined with vinegar. It is brined with salt, and you have to get it in the refrigerated section. They brine it, and it starts working. So when you eat this, it's yummy, yummy, yummy. When you eat this, it starts going into your gut, and it will repopulate your gut with really good flora. So I'm just going to put a big forkful on this. When I started eating raw probiotic sauerkraut, wow, my whole digestive system improved. I eat about 1/4 cup a day, and it makes my digestive system sing. So I'm just adding a little bit more of the avocado mixture, and then what I like to put on top of it are my tamari toasted pumpkin seeds, or you can use, these actually are sunflower seeds. So I'm going to sprinkle these on. Tamari is a gluten-free soy sauce, and to make these, you have the recipe. But all you need to do is put the sesame seeds or pumpkin seeds in a dish, and then toast them. Actually pour some tamari on it. Again, you can get that at your local health food store, your local Whole Foods, and you cook that for about 10 minutes, and they toast up, and they're delicious. So check this out. This is probiotic sauerkraut. I like to call it my awesome, energizing probiotic sauerkraut. And you have the recipe down below. If you want more of this and you want to learn to really get healthy and well from the inside out, because I'm a nutritionist that's a little different. I believe you have to love yourself and love this temple you live in, and that's when you really get healthy and well. It's a mindset issue. It's not just about calories, carbs, and fats. So if you want more of this, this is part of my series. Go to my website at katrynchess.com. Check out my programs and join me. I'd love to have you there. And make your body the love of your life. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I love you.